Sleeping on grandma. Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Good morning, Faves. Well, it's not morning, it's evening, literally. We are I haven't talked to you guys all day today. We have been so busy. Babe went to work and I've been home packing all morning. We are on our way to Babe family for the weekend. We'll be away the entire weekend and we'll be back on my birthday. So yeah, you guys, I am here just making a little stop to feed Tyler because no, why do I keep calling Sarah Tyler? Making a little stop to feed Sarah. I made sure I woke up this morning and I pump and I bottle her milk, and that way it will be easier when we're traveling. So she just had her milk, she's milk drunk, and I haven't get to eat because I've been so busy, so I skipped lunch. I had breakfast and I skipped lunch, so we're making a little stop to just pick up a little fish sandwich at McDonald's so I can get something in my stomach. So Babe and Tyler gone into McDonald's and then we'll be well on our way. We have like a 2 hour 30 drive to go to reach the Babe family. And yes, you girl rocking a different look today. Rose, this is one of the wigs that Rose made me and I am so loving this curly hair. It looks like my natural hair. Anyway, you guys, Babe and Tyler is coming now to get the sandwich. You get everything?
Sure.
Say hello to the family.
Stop, not for me, for the kid.
You didn't get anything for you?
This is the baby.
Culprit. Ty, say hello to Fibs. You ready to go? What you got for yourself? Chicken nuggets and fries? Alright, get in.
Alright, go sit.
Sarah, want to see yourself, Mama? You know she was hungry.
Huh?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Uh-huh. Look at her headband, don't set properly. Ready to go, princess? Ready? Ready? Let Mama fix the headband. It needs to go up. Ready to go? Ready to go? You're gonna see grandma, grandpa, cousins. You're gonna meet all the family by Papa's side this weekend. It'll be a busy weekend, you guys. So of course I'll film and taking all the moments. Sarah will be meeting her great grandmother, grandfather, cousins, aunties, uncle, and so much of Babe family. So it should be a fun-filled weekend. We are at Grandma and Sarah is still sleeping. This is Tyler's cousin, Babe's sister's son, Kenzo. So Sarah meeting her grandma for the first time. And she's sleeping away. However, we just reached mom and we are about to head out right now, going to a surprise birthday party for baby's best friend. And because we're driving from so far, I think it already started, so we are going to go there and enjoy whatever else is happening. So we're heading out again. That's Nico mom, Nico dad.
Bonne mère qui a marqué là-bas.
The birthday boy.
Attends, je vais regarder ce que c'est.
You turn over your basket. Tyler having fun with his cousin. You having fun with Kenzo? No, drink more. More. He's having lemon and honey. And grandma with her grandbaby girl.
Not anymore.
You're gonna drink the rest. One more, and then you have the rest.
Regarde, Tyler.
A little bit more.
Regarde.
Look.
Il y a aussi le médicament et elle boit tout.
Come.
Boire, regarde.
More. More. Look, see mommy drink off hers. Look.
Et ça y est.
You see mommy drink off hers?
Et toi, ça
Drink
doit
off
être meilleur
yours.
que mamie. Hein. Toi, ça doit être meilleur que mamie parce que mamie, c'est pas bon. Hein. Ah ouais. Oh, t'as eu. Non, Kenzo. On va lui dire, regarde ce qu'il fait. Il va appuyer sur la voiture et ça marche tout seul. Voilà, il lui montre.
Ah.
Non, tu prêtes tes jouets.
C'est la route, mamie.
Eh ouais. Ah oui, moi j'ai pas de tapis de route. Oh, le pouce.
Maman.
She's sleeping on grandma.
C'est à moi. Ouais, à moi. Hop là. Et voilà. Ben il n'a plus. Ah oui, la balle. Ben, c'est pas grave ça, la balle.
Oh, good job, Kenzo.
Ça?
Oui.
Die share, let him. Ah.
Ouais, bravo.
Merci tout le monde.
Regarde, Kenzo. Hop. Non, non. Célina. Maman, elle est trop grosse. Attends.
I am coming on real quick to end today's vlog. As you guys can see, we are back home, but the vlogs are just going up, so I'm just coming on to end it. We reached our destination very late this day, and we were just going. We had so many things to do, events to attend, so we didn't really get to vlog so much because when we went to the birthday party, everything just went by and we just took in the moment, and I didn't really want to pull out the camera with so many people around because some of the faces I didn't really used to, so I didn't really vlog much at Nico's birthday. Then we left late and went home, and we just went right to bed because we were tired. But there's so many awesome footage to come for the next few days that we are with Babe family, seeing Sarah, meeting everybody. So Sarah finally got to meet her grandma in this vlog, and that's a moment that I really have been waiting for. ever since she was born, and I'm so happy that that moment finally came. And you guys will be seeing Sarah meeting everybody else in Babe family, so stay tuned for all the vlogs to come. Make sure you guys subscribe to our channel to catch all the awesome footage, all the awesome vlogs that will be coming for the next few days. Seeing Sarah meeting all the family, and seeing all the events that we'll be attending, and seeing my birthday vlog and all those vlogs to come. Love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with the fam, and we'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Right, Sarah? She's sleeping.